When the open road calls, you don't just answer, you conquer. The Mazda CX-50 is built for those who seek more than a destination. It's for the drivers who crave connection, to the road, to the moment, and to something greater. Designed with intention, assembled with pride right here in the United States, the CX-50 blends power with precision in a way only Mazda can. Every line sculpted, every surface refined, every detail crafted to elevate the everyday. Under the hood, you'll find more than horsepower, you'll find capability, confidence, and control. And inside, you're surrounded by a cabin built for comfort and crafted for those who demand more from their drive. From weekday commutes to weekend escapes, from winding back roads to urban avenues, the CX-50 is made for it all. This isn't just a crossover. This is your invitation to explore deeper, live bolder, and drive with purpose. The Mazda CX-50, crafted for the road ahead, proudly made in America.
Quality Mazda.